We need to decentralize this country, not tomorrow, yesterday.
I was saying, I tell you, you're such for I'm watching for a penny way or checking Nane Anna, your cocoa, you know. Now, I'm so crown no community minus your was Santamantamu. I all boys say one so the crack mamma penny. One more summer, one more can you say. So, was here 1 year 2 sick. Afuma gudi ya tuna kasi ya pa. Na shunен kamia sa buase ya tetia proper samba burunya juma nye. Amene wada ne amana nkuwa ya kwakwa ya rehosem. Enam so nti one more card ya chama panyin na do se wo nkuwa ana won so a ni shodu nanim. One more na Anglo God Ashanti. One more fuma gudi na one more tuon wanei. One more site bia one more town kwakwa ho no kombejai. Na woman dani ya chedi ama community miners no sane be ya woman so sabetumi akoma no ama no wayeji na bro mo de kra cha ne ko ye no woman friends and trofo ne won di nkomo e wo bo ase wobanye pa yo ye titene ne de makoi owura Kofi Adams wogina dom ne nyina na mu ekasai esre mampanyi sei.
It is due to the closure of rock mining on the proposed abandoned mining sites of the company that has led many of the youth in Obuasi into alluvial mining, which is causing a great harm to our water bodies and our forest reserve. Striving for years to assess the viability of the site for a smooth takeoff of community mining scheme, there is a lingering challenge between our association and Anglo Gold Ashanti Obuasi Mine on the use of the land, which needs your immediate intervention.
I was sure where I or Kofi Adams no. Well, Tatana the community miners ya was a Sante Mantamu. Ya go swada wa fuma godia won some year mu. Na ora Kofi Adams. Woko bu ma bato mpaso so a wono na amra hye botwani wo ho. Wode atodwa atrose na galam se no atena se. Ama no ya ware asere ya tentene no. Ewa kan waka ne yi na se aban yo tie so. Na atena se yenhwe han pa. Na wo se aban akwa aban aba na so mampanyi na do aban de. Watena se amanfofo ya dan ne kwaye. Amenanuoma yabu akayasim na wo kyeremu anu wo kyeremu se emra bia twam wo korampo no empanyofo kuku dambe sodeye a kyerɛ se NPP amadwoko ne dimu no ekuku dambe tu gala ya yewra se adwon a wanya ne ba bi kɔ na wono soso dimu ntintimman wasasa asɛm na nka wo hwa ne mu se anya rekora na mampanyi na do bagye yewra se adwon to media free ne nsam nanso atena se yɛ nhwe han ko ise papai wɔkɔ ne krachie ejisa na yɛ kagalam se wo nsensam a na na mampanyi wɔne yɛfa so bo ne mo no
with his vice president, and when they are failing and you question them, then we allowed their supporters to turn the matter as if you speaking partisan. We must agree that when people have a responsibility placed on them, we hold them directly responsible. And we must hold Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo and Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia responsible for their failings. Because if you have the mandate to appoint these persons and you are not seeing results, and those same persons stay in office, and like the example I've given you earlier, where one of your appointees, that the day you were announcing his appointment, the accolade that were said of Professor Frimpong Boateng, and you form a committee to deal with that situation and makes him a chair, and he comes before you and tells you that this person, this your appointee, is a threat to the fight. You do nothing.
I was aware I'm Russia, Johnny, you were about 2%, so you're Kofi Adams. Now, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. One of the Cocoba brought my Ghana out, Rossa. Baby, your man, I can't go near Yaka, and Sass, and your quabre to one wire sign one no. Say, I can say, your pa. Yes, and Fishian were her son, ye 300 years. Now, and yes, I be a new Jana, say one more can. Now, my dear, when I may son, say, Babia. And there was a sending in Adania Manamana. Waka say, what bimpo, and found your man was chef from Saint Fifinia Dom Nabaya. And yet, yes, I never to me ye. And I'm soon to hear said, San your money, no. And Panufaya woman Nimasa Simu, and to me quite an acid dom so quite young, she should move the home. Now, some Mercury knew and they wanted to gala, awo yensase no ase no yetimi pe ne poma sibre anya sa pa de na o ma Ghana ye wo kwatwa yie na sa Council for Scientific and Industrial Research panye pa ya wode mo tintiman Dr. Albert Kwabena Mensah one central for ekasai.
In fact, there's a calculation that some of us have done, and we wanted to see how many years it will take for, let's say, for the soil to sort of restore to its natural state. And we were trying to use some plants, which the process is called phytoremediation, to see how it is going to remediate the chemicals from the soil. And the calculation shows if you want to get the pristine condition, the calculation shows something more than 300 years. More than 300 years. So, as a matter of fact, when it comes to remediation or when it comes to restoration of a particular mining site, we can stop, we can retain to affect the use in another form. But for us to return the land to its original state, it is very dicey. It's very dicey. So it's something that we have to take into account. The forestry and maintenance that are actually provided from the artisanal forestry mining. And I have also worked on maintenance from artisanal forestry mining sites that have been used to grow lettuce. But before I go on, let us take a look at heavy metals. Heavy metals are categorized into two: the essential heavy metal and non-essential heavy metal. Now, the essential heavy metals like zinc, like copper, and
I was sorry, Dr. Albert Kwabena Mensah and I attended Kano Church and once I answer, so no, ye fish and a bass, I have 300 years and year and sana. Ya to me ayen ye. Na anama me Samira ba mi amam panyina ba de kire ne ho kani. Wo ba na kwa ba kwa traditional cancer na kwa ne Sompa. Ebro kodri ye no no ka Dr. Alhaji Mahmud ba mi an ho asem ana de ache na nanam ahemfo. Na wo kodri na se na ne jada no osu na kwa ye ne gisem asa kwa ya ho sam sanse nipa dom na nanam ahemfo ahemafo ani abahema ye tudi na chie no na anya asem keto ma na enam so ama enei abahema ye obekwa traditional council na na dwo pena mayo to so miensa wo gina ahema fo nyina nam ari to dwatro se wo hwemu Dr. Alhaji Mahmud Bamia wo mampani abedi echi no wo be ye bi de aboa Ghana wonya hwekora na ne wa ma befo anuama na Ghana ye namu afei na ho brase ne swade hunu ene botahe ne nti no ahema fo nyina de na chitaye ade ama no sa fedie won bewe na won wato aba ade ama no No second lady Mama Samira Bamia wants to kasai.
president may bring a bagana. Piano, the end of one say. Yes, we ain't now, it's with the SIC, Bose. Well, me or the move. We are vice president. Constitution amount to media. They only have waffle. It's your president who are now bet you. Or smaller and a woko. Now, Baumian Smash your debut. It won't say vice president to stand here. Next, so.
Sona Tana Kaya second lady, Mama Samira Baumia. Yagosoda wa NPP Amanyukonim. Na ana one year rally, kuma be our Begroya no Fantia North. Abaton Peswaso, a prayer mantamu. Na sa rally nimu no Dr. Henry, Kwabanako Kufu, Wanoko bi, Woko NPP Amanyukori Dimwa. Wademontin tema ye papa. Na ano anabapare batu ja atra sanyame no kwasemni. Wara Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia na re Matthew opoku prempe sene won makabo mu no na se eye enuama bekọ yie papa pa womani suade ho ne won mo botaye no esoso se Ghana ye betumi ato won mo so na won de Ghana afra dumu akwadumu na wose ene kura ampo no a ye Matthew opoku prempe mre bi atwamu no ye soafo a wo hwe ma Ghana ye ngomasua ho sam so wie kire asa kwa enyina ma hoade so no wose Ghana nyina ni ho adanse anamotu osonko a wotu ye afema panya be de kire so de wote akonya so woye bibi e digitize we nyina de ho adanse se mpanyifo ye ma won makonya mo abetena akonya so se mampanyin na be de kire o ma Ghana abe kra be hwe
aba ye yabo ye ho asie enunti ana yetu yabo ani ehwehwe mu ma ne meme wa santimem ani ani koto papa krachi enim ye Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe napo se omeka Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ho na nkunim die ne hwie peye adentira oye nipa wa abadaye oye bad time prekope ohu nyanka ni wisia mobo ohu akunafo mobo enunti ebra na nadu dankwa kufuado edijumedie share nsa se free SHS no people di kandene wo hu ye akunafo ye wu agya de man nine num na ohu ni obeye na onim kwan a mo befa so mo beko school entimfa hu ni anipa kan ye ateni ani mpuatwa ani ade abema na kra da zo anyimi kakra sabre no abema apa onya kukoduro ejina ne naso eye de esese oye biara enne ahoto aba enti se ye asante mem ye yino de nama oman se oman munye no na ye fani kan Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ho a na ensemo da yase na aseda mo de bedaya ni se mo beto aba no 80% e de ama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na mo parliamentary candidate kodu
Anwachi no Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe adonu abonmo ne sanapo wonso kasa kakra adeto aso
na nipa ba abo ye body pa Jones ofori ata ye sano otidi na asanyame ba ada aduru yeso MPP e wa bakosem e dey free ya ade aduru ba bi aduru o empanyifo bi akukuda ebi obu wi grad ye se o ebi di omo for the MPP over Bragina. It is a game now your party which is MPP, but your parliamentary candidates are now presidential candidates. Make a be sure, papa.
After Panipaya or Swabakon Soja Fie, Adama Adeshia Wabagro, Fantia North and Peswaso, or Kwame Apia Kodia, one of so a Kasai.
December by Yakwatui, Yawaresemu. Ewo niema mienu pe emu adie dikan aye waresemu ewo ye nyame aye som no se kono ena okun aye queen obedikan aje tata edi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia abe the president of Ghana.
was so ya twa and some no aso na men share south and perso so panye pa ya wa hwase. Obakwa she run na po na wa mrahye dwafie lawyer abafo awua. Na papa di ato ne ho so sa enei apomde won sem hia pa. Na be ya ba ya homachesa ne manfo a wakwa akode won mo so na wahwe atoto ne amade ama wo mrahye dwafie no. Yade dodo no abebo wonom na akwakwa yare hosem enam sayo so ntene ni monyamfo ya faton ho so ayapomde hwemu awone peso aso de aboa wonom asabi omani ha wonom afai wonom yade nketenkete be hyahye wo na so wo mun hyeda ankwa yare sabia ma dokotafo ankere wonom ebra lawyer abafo jei awua wonon samchofo akasa awo free health clinic yasi wo cheche mbotai ni chimpo a ata segmedi echi
se nipa no so mo ho odin a no mo bo abo akekere o man ni so mo ho nya din a unya emfaso so unya e wo mo ho e wo man akekere ni anu ti de ne ye tu na si wo se e na ye breast awareness month bo sumi a ye de kokokwa kokram yare a e beto bo ma no fu ye ma me no ma inia ma no fu ye si e ne ye the health screening is ashedi ya oba tuma ni nyina apumude se ne be ya omo be ye den no matinya taye chi ye tu ya chekere man
na anu wache no wada hye bia won so kwa ye kwhwe won mapom din mu no won ne senchofo kasai
dear papa de cham so ma me fo ye mun kola nkete nyina ya hwe nyina ya free ya ndu obi ahwe so wani na ye wo ya hwe se wo so ho na mo pressure ya hwe ya ma ye mo jaduro ya ma ye pressure duro to wa ya de pa nya me won sia na 7 fini dura 7 December ni dura ye nyine to tune be so ama no ene Dr. Bawumia nyina tie da na pese wo ye en ti se de bi obenya awie no ya wie kura na e da bi wo Saturday bi ana wa
I was ko arahosemu na manboya yansaka for Islego na kiremu sa ashamie no akoka abomu amanei nkwanhia asi yakasa ashamie no ahyedworo ba ni pamienu a na wote ashan mu binumu no wonom so ahye ade aka ho assistant divisional officer 1 audio 1 Ghana National Fire Service adwumako no Ora Alex Kenate one central for Kasai echichi.
So I can confirm that truly there was an accident, head-on collision at East Legon, close to the Omama shop, and there was a T-junction there involving an Akira 4x4 vehicle and a Jaguar vehicle which collided. And due to the collision, it hit a wooden electric pole, causing the wires from the electric pole to fall on the car, starting a fire. Due to the collision, the two people were trapped in the vehicle and couldn't come out. Two ladies. It looks like even though they were totally bent beyond recognition, we figured that they were two ladies at the back who were bent beyond recognition.
I was not just saying no way around somewhere I see I wore East Legon. And you know where so and I am fan some no and see. Or Santia Boa Benedict 1 and some for Penny Kelvin. Ana fe Ransford one mo dombo aye kwa waje so aka ho bi ana eso akosua somwa won na nsem nyinata okruche de maye nsem for panye dom semu na me so betena seken kan ye medin ane akosua aje wakwade boaten ya so akọ na apomde dwumadie wo hene yere maame akua ye boa asiama wo de ato so ediama
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techima eno ene ye fa ne sciatica